Mango and dragon fruit ice cream. It's waiting. And good evening. We're making dragon fruit ice cream with mango ice cream. Mango ice cream again. And this is how to make mango ice cream with dragon fruit ice cream. So after cutting the dragon fruit, it's ready to smash it. Kutsara. That's a dragon fruit with matching mango, and we're making ice cream for the first time. So let's see what happened. Ayan. That's a mango, and that's ay daot. Ay, gusto ko tagdaot din. So that's real dragon fruit, and we're making ice cream for the first time. Let's see what happened. I hope it tastes good. What can you say, Harvey?
No, sister.
Huh? No see? No tok tok? You talk? That is how to cut dragon fruit for the first time. Look at that, that's sweet dragon fruit from Bintana, Tanggol City, Misamis Occidental. We just got it the other day, fresh from the fruit, fresh from the tree. And that's Harvey. That's his first time to make mango and dragon fruit ice cream. Look at that, that's so sweet. May kutsara doon? Kanara imong gamiton? This is a very sweet dragon fruit, fresh from the dragon fruit farm in Bintana, Tanggol City. And then we are putting the dragon fruit over here in the blender, and then we're gonna go shake it.
Padala na.
Anak siya. So, this is our first time to turn it on. Iyon sa Liquid eh guys siya. O sasakto na siya no? Sasakto na siya. Di. Tuwad. So that's a pure dragon fruit juice. Wow. That's real fruit. No water mix. No water added. Sige tayo. And that's the pure dragon fruit. Okay na siya no? Mas mainam. That's a mango puree. That's 100% mango. And that's 100% dragon fruit. So look at how thick is it. See? It's very thick. A pure dragon fruit juice. And that's Nestle cream. You have to add it to the mango and dragon fruit. And we are putting the Nestle cream with condensed milk to the dragon fruit juice. That's a real dragon fruit with Nestle cream. Then we are making another set of Nestle cream to pour it to the mango puree. Action. And now we are putting the Nestle cream to the mango puree, and we put also a condensed milk, and we're ready to mix it. And after that one, we can put it into the container and put it into the freezer, and we can have a good ice cream tomorrow. Hopefully it's an ice cream. Now Harvey is mixing it, and it's his first time to make an ice cream, as well as other people here. And this is our pure dragon fruit, and ready to put on top of the container later, so that you can feel the taste of a real dragon fruit. Butangin na siya og kuan kaning fruit gamay. Dapat butang ang yelo siguro para ma-test. Wow. And hayag man. Oh, those are the mango and dragon fruit ice cream. It's waiting to freeze tomorrow. Sang sa ubos. Upata ka kuan. Hinaya ka nang dili makuan kay Tapos ibalihan na siya aron kuan. Dahan-dahan. Ayaw ipatong. Dayon ang uban di na igutang isa. Hindi na. Okay na siya.